So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome back to the GRC 101 series. We've already covered what GRC is, the basics of cybersecurity governance, and the fundamentals of risk management. Now we're going to tackle the C in GRC and make compliance made simple. This video will demystify what compliance means in the context of cybersecurity and why it's a critical component of a secure and well-governed organization. So, what exactly is compliance? In the realm of GRC, compliance refers to adhering to all the laws, regulations, industry standards, and contractual obligations that are relevant to your organization's operations and the data it handles. It's about making sure you're following the rules. Why is compliance so important? There are several key reasons. Failure to comply with relevant regulations can result in significant legal penalties and fines. Non-compliance can severely damage your organization's reputation and erode customer trust. Furthermore, many compliance requirements are in place to ensure a baseline level of security and operational integrity, which are essential for meeting business requirements. Compliance obligations can stem from various sources. These include government laws and regulations, such as GDPR for data privacy in Europe or HIPAA for healthcare information in the US. They also include industry standards like PCI DSS for organizations handling credit card information or ISO 27001 for information security management. Finally, contractual obligations, such as service-level agreements, SLAs, with clients, can also impose compliance requirements. A well-structured compliance program typically involves several key elements working together. These include the identification of all applicable compliance obligations, the implementation of appropriate controls to meet those obligations, ongoing monitoring and auditing to ensure adherence, and clear processes for reporting and remediation when instances of non-compliance are identified. The first step in any compliance program is the identification of obligations. This involves thoroughly understanding and documenting all the laws, regulations, standards, and contractual requirements that your organization must adhere to. You can't comply with what you don't know. Once you know the rules, the next step is the implementation of controls. This involves establishing the necessary technical safeguards, administrative procedures, and physical security measures to ensure that you are meeting the identified compliance requirements in practice. This could include things like access controls, encryption, and data handling policies. Compliance isn't a one-time setup. Ongoing monitoring and auditing are essential to regularly assess the effectiveness of your implemented controls and identify any gaps or areas where you might not be fully compliant. This can involve internal audits, external assessments, and continuous monitoring of your security environment. Finally, when instances of non-compliance are identified, it's crucial to have clear processes for reporting these issues and implementing remediation plans to address the violations and prevent them from recurring. Transparency and a commitment to correcting noncompliance are key. And that concludes this lesson on compliance and the intricate world of regulations. Up next, we will be getting into how to ensure organizations stay compliant by formulating policies, standards, and procedures. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.